guys, today we're showing off our prawn setup. We just got it done today. Now I just kind of want you to take a look around and show them how we got it set up here. So we got a koi pond pump and a heater. This is just a LED light, no heat. That way it's safe. It's plastic. That's just for light for the shrimp. All right, these are going to be jumbo shrimp pond. This is our filter setup. Now inside, these are loofahs. We're using loofahs as our medium here. And we grow these out here in the homestead. And we got lava rocks and clay pebbles in here, just like we do our tilapia tank. So I was just trying to give you guys a little idea how easy it is to set up one of these tanks. Just a water hose. And we got our jumbo prawns right here. They're acclimating to the water right now. Now I'm going to turn the pump off so you guys can hear me a little better. Now I want to show you a prawn. And where did we get these, honey? Liveaquaponics.com. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see there or not. Come over here by the light, honey. Inside of there, you can see, how many do we get?
25.
25 jumbo prawns. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Still. You can see how much she holds still.
They're tiny little guys. All right, now we're going to release them into our tank. I turned the pump off so we can see where they go. You don't want to lose the mic in the pond here. Now they've been sitting in this bag for about 20 minutes now. And they scattered on us. They're supposed to be jumbo shrimp up to 3.5, 4 inches long. Well, jumbo prawns, as I'd say. And we'll just keep giving you guys update. And as they get bigger and bigger, we'll keep filming some videos and we'll see how they do. All right, so I hope you like this setup. Oh, besides us taking the tilapia out of our aquaponics pond out back here, we're going to put them in the big pond and our, well, smaller pond. We got 2 ponds out back, as you guys seen. And in a month, we're getting 100 fathead minnows, and we're getting 50 bluegill and 50 channel catfish to go in our pond. We was going to get crappie, but we have to wait till fall before we can get those. And we're going to show you guys all of that, all of us, the whole thing, putting them in there and getting them up. And these guys are supposed to be jumbo, so we'll see. And from our calculations, you can get 150 to 200 in these tanks right here because it's low right now. But once they get them big, we have 2 of these, so we can split them up. So that way we can at least have 400 or 500 of these jumbo prawns in these tanks. And these will always be in the garage. They don't take up a lot of room. And if you ever want a shrimp dinner, just come over here and scoop you some out. And that's the plan anyhow.